on this me J-Man Bendy. You have a cupcake jersey. We got a hammer and our 2 gingerbread houses here because we're finally doing a gingerbread house demolition.
Because it's been so many days.
Take a look at Shaylee's before it gets obliterated. Yeah. Yeah, me too. Look at me. Look at me.
I like my nose.
I'm a mad scientist J-Man Bender.
So, let me explain it to you.
Just put it over here.
Get it. Let them see this.
Okay.
So let me explain this. This is a zoo house. That is not a tiger sneaking up. If you guys were wondering that.
That's just the
That's
sign.
not all sneaking out. This one's just a decoration.
Yes, because it's just
And there's some
shine.
wood for all the fences. The fences kind of got ruined.
Yeah.
We did have other ones, but we already hear them all.
Okay, let's get this smashing.
Okay.
Yeah, put on safety goggles.
1, 2. Wait, guys, you have to count down.
1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Sherry just obliterated that thing. Crush the candy cane. The candy cane cannot survive.
My animal died.
Oh my goodness, Sherry! So that koala. Oh no, I thought there was a koala, but no, that's a piece. That's a piece of wood. That's your piece of wood. Shaylee just obliterated that thing.
Die. I'm smashing into the phone now.
Oh my goodness, that candy cane is gonna be nothing but that candy cane survived! No survivors! Yeah, I told you. Ew. Oh, it's dusty. Oh, it's so dusty.
Die candy. Now, guys, take a look.
Smells like mint. I can smell it.
It smells like this.
Well, that's all that's left to Shaylee's. Okay, she's still not done.
Die.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Shelly, we're good. Shelly, it's done.
I'm done.
Okay.
Let's yours too.
No, you will hold the camera.
Fine. Look at a long look at it.
Man, that was crazy. Okay, let's pause this and switch to my...
Hey guys, we're back.
Back again, we switched it for my beautiful haunted house.
Oh guys, wait, I have to put on my goggles. Don't worry guys, I'm back. Let's watch this.
Oh my goodness, we got...
Okay guys, let me explain it. This is a haunted house.
Hey, don't explain it for them. It's my haunted house. It's a haunted house because I usually do every year a new, like, Nightmare Before Christmas thing. So, yeah, this is what we're going to do. Come over here.
Just write it.
I have to put on my goggles. I thought you already did, you woman. We have to put on to see it. Okay, so come over here and watch me obliterate its eyeball.
Okay, 1. You're covering it. 1, 2, 3. Just do it. Oh my goodness. That's horrible. Die.
What else?
Don't smash the table.
Die.
You just got it on my leg.
Die.
Wow, you obliterated it.
I've obliterated its eyeball. Oh,
Jeez.
you little survivor. Oh, yeah.
You know there's some gummy bears standing up right there, right?
Where?
Right there.
My goodness.
Take that candy.
Obliterated and I touched it. This is fun.
Okay, I think that's enough. I'm freezing to cold out here. It's enough. I'm freezing. Yeah, you made a mess. Totally.
Yeah, we're going to get our butts kicked.
Okay, guys, we're back and just obliterated it because I told them something. And I didn't know why the door opened. For some reason. And over here is mine.
Well,
and take a good long look at Jensen's. Yeah, very
I
long
can see why.
look.
Hey! No survivors.
Say a very long look at him. Oh, there's like, what is that?
What is what? This? It's a gummy bear.
Here's mine. And I guess that's it. I guess that's it of the video. How do you want to do this, Jensen?
Bye, Pete. Say bye, Pete.
Oh my goodness, I don't even know how to end a video. I mean like turn the video off, Jensen.
Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna put down the hammer. And you do that and do the by-piece thing.
Hold on, I gotta.
Just do it!
Okay.
Just do it!
Okay, everyone, that was our GingerBread House Construction thing.
Bye! Peace!